Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word expected. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I expected to receive a promotion at work, but I was surprised when I was passed over for the position. The word expected in this sentence means to anticipate or look forward to something happening, but the outcome or result was not as initially predicted or assumed. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.